Looking for the perfect cordless vacuum to make cleaning a breeze? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 cordless vacuum cleaners that offer powerful suction, long battery life, and unbeatable convenience. Say goodbye to messy cords and hello to effortless cleaning. Whether you're tackling carpets, hardwood floors, or pet hair, we got the top picks that will suit your needs. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Ultenic AC1 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Ultenic AC1 Elite Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a 3-in-1 powerhouse designed for seamless cleaning. Combining vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning, it offers versatile performance on various surfaces. With its 450W motor and 3 cleaning modes, Intelligent, Max, and Vac, you can easily adjust suction power based on your needs. The AC1 Elite operates for up to 50 minutes, providing long runtime for thorough cleaning. Plus, it features intelligent voice prompts for easy operation and one-button self-cleaning for added convenience. Dual water tank separation ensures no mixing of clean and dirty water, delivering superior mopping results. The self-propelled function saves you effort, making it easy to navigate around the house. Whether you're cleaning hard floors or carpets, the Ultenic AC1 Elite is built to handle it all. Its efficient design makes cleaning simple, quick, and effective. Second product on our list, BuTure Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The BuTure 38 kPa 450-watt cordless handheld vacuum cleaner offers powerful cleaning performance for any home. Equipped with a robust 450W motor, it delivers up to 38 kPa of suction power, making it perfect for removing both surface debris and deeply embedded dirt. This vacuum is ideal for homes with pets, tackling hair and mess with ease. With a large 1.5L dust cup, it's bagless for convenience, and its HEPA filter ensures cleaner air by capturing fine particles. The upgraded color touchscreen provides a user-friendly experience, allowing you to adjust settings with the touch of a button. You can choose between Eco, Standard, and Boost modes to fit your needs. The vacuum's 2,200 mAh battery offers up to 55 minutes of runtime on low power, and it charges fully in just 4 to 5 hours. Plus, the tangle-free roller ensures no hair tangles, making it ideal for pet owners. Third product on our list, Ideach Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Ideach wireless handheld vacuum cleaner is a powerful tool for your home cleaning needs. With a 15 kPa suction power and dual motor drive, it effortlessly picks up dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. It also features a 5-stage filtration system, ensuring that even the smallest particles, down to 0.3 microns, are captured for cleaner air. Equipped with a 2,600 mAh detachable and replaceable battery, this vacuum provides up to 1 hour of continuous cleaning on a single charge. The LED lighting illuminates dark areas, making cleaning corners and under furniture easy. With a lightweight design and a dust box capacity of under 0.5L, it's perfect for quick, efficient cleanups. This cordless vacuum also comes with a HEPA filter and turbo brush, making it versatile for various surfaces. Plus, it's bagless and portable, allowing for a smooth, hassle-free cleaning experience. Fourth product on our list is Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Inse Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 6-in-1, a lightweight powerhouse for all your cleaning needs. With a 20 kPa suction and cyclone filter, it efficiently cleans every corner of your home. Weighing under 3 kilograms, this vacuum is incredibly easy to maneuver. It features 1 to 3 nozzles and 1 to 2 operating modes, making it versatile for any task, from cleaning carpets to hardwood floors. The 2,200 mAh Li-ion battery provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, giving you ample time to clean without interruptions. Plus, the bagless cyclone dust bucket holds up to 1 to 2 liters, reducing frequent emptying. Switch from vertical to handheld mode effortlessly, perfect for cleaning upholstery or stairs. The multifunctional combined brush ensures deep cleaning on various surfaces. Lightweight, powerful, and versatile, the Inse Cordless Vacuum Cleaner makes cleaning easier than ever. Fifth product on our list, Yisora N300 Vacuum Cleaner. The Yisora N300 Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner combines power and convenience for effortless cleaning. With a strong 20 kPa suction power, it works efficiently on carpets, hardwood, and even pet hair. Weighing less than 3 kilograms, this vacuum is ultra lightweight and easy to handle. The 6-in-1 versatility ensures it adapts to every surface, from upholstery to tight corners, with its corner folding brush. Equipped with a 2,200 mAh Li-ion battery, it runs for up to 40 minutes on a single charge. Plus, its 65 dB ultra-quiet motor means cleaning won't disrupt your peace. The Yisora N300 features a 5-stage HEPA filtration system that traps fine dust and allergens, making it ideal for healthier living. The 0.6-1L bagless dust box ensures easy disposal. The LED headlight brush reveals hidden debris in darker areas, making thorough cleaning simple. Whether it's marble, wood laminate, or rugs, the Yisora N300 delivers great results. Stylish, powerful, and lightweight, the Yisora N300 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect tool for a spotless home. Clean smarter, not harder.